Welcome to English Learning from Scratch, Nationalities Part 1. Today we learn 5 important nationalities: American, British, Canadian, Australian, and Chinese. These nationalities come from important countries around the world. We pronounce them correctly in English. American and British. American people come from the United States. British people come from the United Kingdom. American nationality is from North America. British nationality is from Europe. Canadian and Australian. Canadian people come from Canada. Australian people come from Australia. Canadian nationality is from North America. Australian nationality is from Oceania. Chinese. Chinese people come from China. China is in Asia. Chinese nationality refers to people from the People's Republic of China. American. This is the nationality for people from the United States of America. American means someone born in or citizen of the USA. The word American describes people from this country. British. This is the nationality for people from the United Kingdom. British means someone from England, Scotland, Wales, or Northern Ireland. The word British describes people from the UK. Canadian. This is the nationality for people from Canada. Canadian means someone born in or citizen of Canada. The word Canadian describes people from this North American country. Australian. This is the nationality for people from Australia. Australian means someone born in or citizen of the Commonwealth of Australia. The word Australian describes people from this country. Chinese. This is the nationality for people from China. Chinese means someone from the People's Republic of China. The word Chinese describes people from mainland China. Review: American, British, Canadian, Australian, Chinese. These 5 nationalities represent people from 5 important countries. Practice these English nationality words. Thank you for learning with English Learning from Scratch.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.